So today I'm doing a short tutorial on Flippity. And Flippity is a website where you can make activities or games for student use. And it's a really unique way to gamify reviews or introducing new information. So obviously I have an account already, but whenever you first go to the website, you'll have to sign up. And the best way to do that is just going to be through your Gmail because it does work in conjunction with Google Drive anyway. So then once you're all signed up, you get to go through all these different templates for games that you can adjust to your content area. So I am going to click on what I've already done just because I'm familiar with it. And I do want to point out that the older version had demo instructions and then a template link beside instructions. And that's not the case anymore. So now you have to click on instructions. And when you click on instructions, it takes you to this really well formatted page that breaks up all of the steps to get your game published and get it set up with your content information. So the first step is going to be to click on the template, and this is where you are going to end up in Google Drive. So once you get it over onto your Google Drive, it's going to, in this case for the crossword, it pops up as the word that needs to be in your crossword, and then the clue that you'll have for students to look at and figure out what the word should be. So once you've put in your content area information and you've essentially finished, you're going to go to File, and you have to go to Share, and you have to go to Publish to Web so that it's public. And then you hit Publish, and you'll get this nice little link that you'll copy to your clipboard. And once you've copied the link to your clipboard, you'll go down to the bottom here and click on Get the Link Here. And you will go to box A3 and you'll post your nifty little link, and it will input at box A5 the link that you need to click on to get to your new crossword or game. So here we have the information that was input and the crossword, which you can actually click and see the words input for your content area. So once we've done all of this, which is what I just showed, you also have the option to, check out other games. But the best way to share this is just going to be to pop up here and copy that link in your bar and send it off to whoever needs it. So another interesting format for this that I've used was the quiz show. And it's a very similar set of instructions, which is why Flippity is so incredibly easy to use. And if you play around with it, you'll really figure out how to use pretty much all the templates because it's just very similar. So you once again click on the template and make a copy onto your Google Sheets. And obviously this has all the information input, but you would do it for your content area. And in this case, you have, just like in the show Jeopardy, you have questions that are worth certain amounts of points. So you've got 100 point Q, that's question, 100 point A, that's answer. So you just go down the line and fill all of those in. And once you're done, it's the same steps as with the last one. You go to Share, Publish to Web, Publish. You get your link. And we pop down here to Get Link Here. You input it in cell A3, and A5 pops out with your finished activity. So this one's especially fun because it's more interactive than the crossword. The crossword is definitely something you would make and print off, whereas this is something you would use on like a smart board, because you can click on the questions, and this keeps track of what teams got the answer correct and what teams didn't. And you click on this and it flips over to the answer. And it keeps track of which questions you've clicked on and answered. So for my content area, I did a little different. My content area being history, I did questions regarding specifically ancient civilizations. So overall, it's a really easy site to use, and due to the pretty much identical steps for each template, you should not have a hard time navigating and using this resource. So thank you.